If you want to run ads online, but you're not sure what to say or where to begin, then in this video, I'm going to share with you my script for creating Facebook ads that crush it in 5 minutes or less. Now, if you like this script and you want to get more awesome shortcuts just like it, then below there's a link to my online starter kit that actually has 7 of the top shortcuts that I rely on to run my business every day. For those of you who don't know, my name is Anton Dale, and I simplify marketing for entrepreneurs so they can make more sales and get more customers. And like I said, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my simple ad script for creating Facebook ads that absolutely crush it in 5 minutes or less. So let's get started. Now, I discovered this script a couple years ago when I was promoting an offer that was in a super competitive niche, and it absolutely crushed it. And since then, I have used it to promote everything from low ticket offers, entry level offers for $1, $5, $7, all the way up to high ticket offers, 10,000 plus. I've also shared this with hundreds of students, and they have used it and absolutely crushed it as well. So I'm sure you're going to love it. Now, here's how it works. Okay, so below this video, you're going to see a button. When you click on the button, it will pull up this Facebook ad script document here. Now, all we're going to be doing is filling in the blank. It's really basic, really simple. So in this document, like it says, it's going to show you how to create ads that crush it in 5 minutes or less. Now, this is a 5-part framework that, again, all we're doing is filling in the blanks. It's really simple. We're simply going to select. So if you scroll down, you'll see that there are a number of different subsections. So there's the intro, the desire, the transition, solution, and then the outcome. Okay. So all you have to do is you're going to have to create the desire. You're going to have to fill in the blanks for the desire, and you're going to have to fill in the blanks for the outcome, because those are specific to your industry. The intro, you're simply going to select one of the following. I could never, I used to struggle, I was always terrible at, I was always hopeless at. So you're simply going to select one and enter it here. And then you're going to select a desire. Now, a desire is a thing that your audience wants. You know, it could be getting leads, or playing the piano, or catching fish, or dating women, or whatever it is. So whatever that desire is, making sales, you know, driving a car, you know, whatever that desire is, that's going to be specific to the offer that you're promoting. So you're going to fill it in right here. Now, the transition, again, you're just going to select one of these. You know, until I found, until I discovered, until I stumbled across, until I tested, until I tried. Okay, so we're going to pick one of these. We're going to enter a desire. We're going to simply write a desire. We're going to select one of these, and then we're going to select a solution, okay, which is one of these. So you're going to pick one of these. I'll talk about, there's an alternate in a second, but I'll talk about that at the end. And then finally, we're going to have an outcome. So I want to give you an example. So because remember, all we're doing is we're selecting one element from each section, and then we're combining it at the end. Okay, so let me scroll down. There's a sample here, and it says, I could never play the piano until I discovered this one hack. Now I play dozens of songs like a pro without sheet music, right? So if you break down that ad, you can see here, it's I could never, which is here, I could never, and then the desire is specific to the offer. So in this case, it's play the piano until, you scroll back down, I could never play the piano until I discovered. So you can see it up here, until I discovered, and then you scroll down, I discovered this one hack, right? So this one hack, so it's right here. And then the outcome, right? Now I can play, now the outcome obviously is specific again to your niche. So now I can play dozens of songs like a pro. Here's another example. I used to struggle to catch fish until I found this new method. Now the fish are practically jumping into my boat. Or I used to struggle to catch fish until I found this new rod. Now the fish are practically jumping into my boat, right? As you can see, scroll down again. I was always terrible at meeting women until I stumbled across this eye technique. Now, whenever I go, women actually approach me, right? Now, this is the asterisk that I had here, where alternatively could insert a product name, right? So the solution could be that one thing or the one technique or the new system, or alternatively, it could be if it has a catchy name, I stumble across, in this case, it's the eye technique, right? It has some curiosity there, right? And so now whenever I go out, women approach me. Or I could never get my dog to stop barking at night until I discovered no bark. No, my dog is so quiet, I actually sleep through the night. right? And again, you can create a, these for off the cuff for pretty much any niche. I could never make sales online until I discovered this one funnel. Now I have more clients than I can actually service, right? And then you tie it off in the bow where you can say, check it out below. So as you can see, it's really simple, really basic. I really love this thing because you can pump out a whole bunch of ads. And as I said, I have used this and my students have used this in pretty much every niche, in pretty much every price level for offers. This is so basic, guys. This is so simple, and we know it works. You know how we know it works? Because it's the exact ad, it's the exact framework, exact structure that I used to get you here, okay? So we know this works. So don't procrastinate, don't overthink this. At the end of the day, this script is a shortcut. And if you like these type of shortcuts and you want to get access to 7 of the top shortcuts that I rely on to run my business every day, shortcuts that have taken me over 12 years to learn, develop, and implement, then go ahead and click on the button below and grab a copy of my online starter kit. Again, it has 7 of the top shortcuts that I use in my business every day, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So go ahead and click on the button below and grab your copy now while it's still available.